Recent studies indicate that eyelash extensions will reach $2.31 billion by 2028. Eyelash extensions are in high demand due to fashion trends and the desire to look more beautiful in less time. Use a spoolie brush for aftercare and thoroughly dry wet lashes to keep them clean. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. You can find more information about this story by clicking on the link in the description.